Dead Random, and I'm going to do a quick flight with the new DJI INTEGRA goggles, flying my 5-inch drone. So all right, 5-inch quad, here we go. Let's give it a quick manual flight and let's see how the goggles work. So far, I'm really appreciate some of the simplicity of these. So that's the first reaction right there. Let's go. Let's fly here. Let's wait for us to get. We gotta go ahead and switch to our quadcopter. Yep. So we're here. We're there. All right. So now we're on the goggles there. Let's. We're in 03 now. We got to bind. Got to do a quick bind. All right, we're back. That was quick. Did a quick bind to there. We have. Do we have the controller bound? No, we don't. So here we go. And we need the controller bind here. So we've got green lights and we got video. Let's fly. I don't have a full battery, but we're off. Let's go. All right, here we go. Let's fly. So, bam. I have the FLYWOO. I have the FLYWOO ND filters right now. So, FLYWOO, thank you for the NDs. I have a complete set. This is an ND4. Probably should have a little higher ND today, but it's all I got on there. So let's go. Before my video gets overheated, my VTX gets overheated. All right. So she's ready. Let's go ahead and just throttle. It's down here. We're in. There we go. Awesome. So we've got the Kai 2 DJI Air unit with the new DJI goggles, man. We're sweet. Entrada. Hopefully I've got some video being shot. There we go. There's some video being shot finally. Oh man, this thing flies so nice out here. The weather's good. It's not too windy. All right, so we're gonna go and do some reach. Get a little reach. We got plenty of battery. We got a lot of speed with the. But Integras are good. They've basically reduced the viewing size. The viewing setting, I think they just pre-did it. Remember before we had to reset our goggles, so we had a little bit more depth so we could see the edges. So I'm still getting used to these. I'm still getting used to. There you are, up there. And I'm way up at the top of this puppy, and we're gonna get some footage of us climbing and flying around this fun area here. I've definitely got some issues still going on with my camera. I've got to take out some of that wobble, and it does pick up the vibration still, especially when it's windy. And there's a little bit of wind out there. You can tell when I punch the throttle, I get a little bit of vibration. So there it is right there. It's still fun though. And remember, this is all about today. This is all about the new goggles, which are really good. 1080p, beautiful 1080p. Beautiful 1080p. And I am up on the top of T-Bone. And I'm going gonna come back because that's all the battery I got. This was not a full, wasn't a full battery. She was not completely full. She was not full. There it is, and then we're gonna come down and we're gonna come home. Is going to be affecting us a little bit. Definitely look at that 1080p. You guys are getting a full 4K worth. And we're going to make her back. Let's get down to the desert. But high voltage battery, and we're not punching it, so we're going to be able to milk out this flight. But very happy with these new goggles. Like I said, I like the simplicity. It does still have a little bit of issue when it comes to light leak. You know, it still needs to be a little bit, there needs to be an adjustment for the face, but I do not have any issues with anything else. So now we're gonna have to come in and we're gonna have to do a little bit of landing. I have to a little bit more sketchy of a landing here. Uphill landing here. There we go. Let her set down. All right. So there it is. Integra, first flight. At random.